It's not only singers and artists make headlines more while, sometimes the band them make the headlines themselves. You can see in the recent news. Right now we're there with Tower Band. What going on, brothers?
Yeah, we're there. We're here.
First of all, what I want you to do for me, introduce yourself, you know what I mean? Give me one word to describe you, you know what I mean, as a musician, as a person.
Alright, well, I'm Chris Ross, you know, the Mali drummer. Tower Band leader, manager. Singer as well, and what makes me intense is my unique way of my energy.
This is Prof. In the band, I'm a keyboardist, also a producer. What would I say makes me unique is my ability to learn.
Mario King Mars, bass player, musical director. To sum up myself, I am a very creative person. You see me? So ideas snappy like that.
Corey Coombs, guitarist, vocalist, and I can marry that. What makes me intense, I guess we reach? Is I'm actually a farmer also.
Yeah.
So you don't know Tesla Rain, producer, musician, engineer for the company. And what makes me intense is also my creativity, as Mario said, creativity, ambition.
I'm Bear. I'm the trumpeter in the band, also the assistant road manager as well. I'm also the social media person.
The engineer that is not here, Shane Williams, we have to big him up. Anyway, I really make we sound good. See? So big up the engineer.
That's a good. First of all, we're going to get the elephant out of the room right away. New rules the other night. Man, I say, yo, drumming getting a spirit.
Who never see me play before and saw me play that night with my band, Tower Band. See, this is like a first time ever experience anything like that. But as you know, I'm big on showmanship. You follow me? And I know so here we go. When I go to a show, people will leave talking. They must be entertained. You follow me? Because I'm an artist and an entertainer.
When that happened now, what was phone reaction?
We know say him normally energetic, and we know say him going to stand up and get crazy. We never necessarily know so the cymbal is going to turn over. You see me?
Yeah, because I talk about finesse, I see him finesse some kick on the cymbal. So.
We never know so that necessarily going to happen. So when we see that, I say, Jano, because he was right beside me. So I see it turn over me, I said, Jano.
I was surprised that him never actually kick over the bass drum. So you understand, because we didn't really plan to catch a big fire up there, you understand, but it never really worked out like how we planned. But we didn't plan to pay for any damage still, so you know, all part I act, you understand?
Yeah, so we play for Skeng. We only play for him that night. So it was like a featured band. You know, like, so that was a great thing. So we did about 10 rehearsals. Yeah, and make sure get him sung them right. Learn. We know Skeng sang like a back of our hand.
Right now. What was Skeng's reaction to all of that?
Yo, you know, see, the man come on the drum rise and getting mad up there, man. The man, you know, see the man run the whole live show from start to finish. Yeah, man, him love the energy, man. And I think him whole team and everybody rate the energy that we bring. So right now, Skeng and Tower Band are one different. Them say a rock star, dancehall, rock star, dancehall, band, dancehall, rock band. So yeah, I mean, the people are saying a whole heap of things right now. But the good thing is that we give people something to remember. That are the greatest thing.
How would you describe the sound that you've collectively created?
I think the sound is a collection of music that all of us here within our time growing up listening to, not for the greats in a dancehall, not for the greats in a reggae, the shabba, everybody who are come up, the bunty, the beanie, them. It is like an infusion of all of that, plus all of the other music we used to listen to from foreign days.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, and we get the opportunity now to put something together and express it through music.
Expand upon that a little bit for me. You know, what is the media group aspect of it?
Okay, so we do production on a whole. So whether it is music videos, whether it is documentaries, short films, whether it is actually producing music, writing music, recording, mixing, mastering, the whole production from A to the end.
So basically, a man can just come check you, say, yo, I have an idea for a song,
man.
produce it, record it, mix it, shoot the video, and then go play the live.
Yeah, man.
We also do bookings. You follow me? Event planning, coordinating the event and stuff like that. So basically, the collective effort of talents is unique.
How difficult is it to keep the thing together?
So it is finding persons with the same vision. You see me? Without that, you gotta have that. You gotta have persons that go break off at some point.
Yeah, we are one big family outside that just playing music. We are brothers in a real life. Yeah, man, the park, go-kart, them look at thing there, you know?
Yeah.
So, them thing there make the band better.
Keep the unity.
Yeah.
There's no excuse for me. So if me not play good, me have to find a drummer who can play the music. So there's no excuse for none of us.
No, you also mentioned that you do productions and stuff. I hear that you have a single coming out as well too soon.
Yeah, the single name Rich in Spirit. So that single explains everything that we've been through and continue, keep going. So it's like an encouragement to everybody out there. So yo, if we can do it, you can do it too.
You know what next for the band? You know what I mean? You have the song, you have your hands in so many pots. Like, you know what I mean? What's the next major project?
All right, so couple major projects. Right now we're working on our EP. So, but the single is going to come out with a video. And then we have a couple promoters talking to. We have Sharky's Big Up Brown Speed. That show is October 17 at Oche. So we're gonna play for like Javinci, Jashi, Lali, and Chronicler. And then we have some other shows coming up with Skengto, and then a show in Grenada as well. So I mean, those are everything that we're doing. And then we have videos I go shoot too. You see me? So big up Dexter Dubs, Zane, Bugle, Barry Salmon.
These are some of the people that you play for?
I mean, shoot videos for.
Oh, shoot videos.
Popcorn, Tentic.
And band-wise, who are some of the people you play for?
All right, so you have Auntie Marcia Griffiths, Zane, Richie Spice, Ken Booth, as you know, Skeng, Jashi, Javelani, Bugle, Egyptian.
So it's a wide array, wide cross-section of artists. Like, people would think maybe that's the young youth them. You have the elder, the foundation, them. A whole heap of different
Tanya
people.
Stevenson,
Artists.
So I mean, we don't limit ourselves.
Tower band, tour, for the rest.